Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. This is the next build. This is the Domino Models re-release of the Ford Escort RS Cosworth as driven by Francois Delacour and Daniel Guadeloupe on the Rallye in Monte Carlo in 1994. Right, great car to build, great kit. I've already done it years ago as a kid. Re-released by Domino Models. I think it was, I'm going off my own head here, that this was a precursor to them just testing the water to see if bell kits would work. But what a great kit to re-release. Very, very popular with modelers. Tamiya released it 3 times, this colour scheme, and the Michelin Pilot British car driven by Malcolm Wilson. And they also did the Repsol colours for Carlos Sainz and Louis Moya. Right, let's have a look inside. Price tag there. I had this from Mr. Models in Smethwick. Cost me 55 quid at the time. I was lucky to come across it because by the time I got it, it had stopped being made by Domino's. Right, decal sheet. First thing that hits you is it's the Tamiya. But rather than being filed out, it is an actual page by page booklet. Very good, I like that. Takes up the space on your bench. Tamiya weren't going to start making decals for a re-release, so what the Domino Models, see, I called them bell kits, they use Shunko decal sets. Now, I've never used Shunko before, but a lot of people online say they're very, very good. We'll soon find out. But they're all there. Michelin Pilot's decals for the wheels and tyres. This little poly bag here, 5 tyres, polycaps inside. I hate using those polycaps. And some mesh for the front grills. Clear set, obviously the interior windows and rear screen, the underrider, sump guard, protects the bottom of the engine. That's the one for the rear sump. We have various indicators, rear indicators, light covers for the light pods for if you build the nighttime version. On this sprue we have uprights, rear transmission, windscreen wipers, gear stick. Yes, it's had a manual transmission. Various fire extinguishers, the door cards, dashboard, fans, more transmission parts, drivers and co-driver's seat, pedal box, more windscreen wipers, intercooler, and the steering wheel. Ain't gonna go far without the steering wheel. One body shell. As you can see, it's the typical high quality Tamiya mould. I don't know who moulded this for Domino Models, if it was done at the Tamiya factory or if they had it done elsewhere using the Tamiya moulds. But it looks nice and clean. I can't see any mould lines. But once it's opened, we will see. And the last sprue, we have chassis, roll cage parts, mirrors, the whale tail, the Cosworth was famous for, mud flaps, brake discs, the engine, fuel tank, rear exhaust, side exhaust on this car, towing eyes, lamp pods, and 5 OZ Rally wheels. 5 because obviously one goes in the back. All rally cars have a 5th wheel, just in case to get a puncture en route. And sometimes they use that. Some cars actually had 6. I had 2 spares, so they could change tyres either to the front or rear axle. Depends on stages, they might try and find some form of advantage between stages. But this being a tarmac rally, weight was very much on the mind. Yeah, this is a great kit. It's one that I built years ago, so it's another bit of retro modelling, but one I'm looking forward to doing. The Escort obviously was returned to a name from Ford's heritage. Obviously the Escort was very, very popular around the world, especially in world rallying, with the RS 1600, that's the RS 2000. Names like Hannu Mikla, Adi Vatanen, Bjorn Valdegaard all drove the original Mark 1 and Mark 2 Escorts, depending on the period. This was the car that should have been the car to take Ford to a World Championship. It didn't happen. It replaced the Sierra Sapphire that I built last year, but I'm really looking forward to this. Let's hope I can get as good a finish as I got on the Leighton House. But I am now going to settle down, get ready to build this car. I already have the correct paint for it. If I can just lay my hands on it. That's the Subaru colour. But it is Ford Oxford White. I have Gravity Colours White for that. Gravity Colours Spain colour for it. So that's all good to go. But I hope you had a great Christmas. I hope this year's going to be a good one. And let's just hope that it's a good year. In the meantime, I'll see you soon. Look after each other. Look after yourselves. Be good. And I'll see you soon. Ciao, Rabbis.